check this video out because it's going to be a little bit of a long one. But I think... Well, today we're going to be tearing apart one of these heaters. And then later on, we're probably going to be tearing apart something else. So, stay tuned and I hope you enjoy this clip. Start by removing these screws out of the back here. Oh, I hope that I have this in the right direction. Luckily it's garbage. My Mountain Dew almost took a dive off the counter. Sensor. Garbage. Maybe some iron there. Stay tuned. Just getting the last two screws out of the bottom here. I'm going to pull the casing out. Let's see what we're working with there. Looks like there's 6 screws in the casing of it to open it all the way up. So. Put the garbage down on the floor over here. Oh, I was wrong. There's more than that, but let's have some fun and find out what is inside of this. Oh, thanks to the Tin Man, he has taught me a lot of the micro scrapping type bits and pieces that I've needed to know, so thank you there, Tin Man. Oh, I already see some goodness. Just steel. So I'll put it in my steel pile real quick. Yeah, that looks like some good stuff in there, don't it? I'm gonna get the rest of these screws out. I'm gonna take it all the way apart then. So hold on for that footage. Well, now that you can see again, look at that for a second while I put this over in the tin. And steel pile. So there's not much weight to the outside of this, but I'm not real worried about that. The inside has a lot of good stuff on it, so that's what I'm more concerned of getting. I mean, I recycle it all, but there's still a bit of, there's a switch and a little bit of wire still on here that I'll take off later. Let's put this down here. Now, if we take and unhook this, there we go. Clip this zip tie. We can pull this out the front, and this is still a good board to hook up to something else if you know how to do that. Me, I just worry about taking stuff apart, so I'll probably take it all the way down to get the points out of it. There's probably some silver, maybe a little bit of gold in there, so I think I'm going to tear that down also in a later time. I'm just getting the rest of the outside off for you guys. See all this goodness inside. All this right here is going to be stainless. That whole compartment. There's a nice fan right here with a motor on it with a good bit of copper. So yeah, I looked out. I got probably a pound of screws off of it, and then some stainless and a motor with some copper on it and a big old fan, but I don't know what I'll do with it all. Probably just turn it all into scrap for scrap prices. So I hope you enjoyed this little bit here, and I'll be back with you for more later. Have a good day, everybody. Upon further inspection, you see that magnet? It's stuck to it. So that means it's just plain old steel. Man, I thought I got lucky with that one. Oh well. More for the next time. Y'all have a good day now.